Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Tiguan Elegance. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 40,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic deep black and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, as you can see, the interior is in really nice condition. You've also got the grey trim, which certainly brightens up the interior. There's an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, heated front seats, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the really smart virtual cockpit, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And just below that you've also got the electric tailgate switch. Being the Elegance, you've also got the full-length glass roof as well, so that's really nice for the summer. The Tiguan's a great car for the family, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own controls there in the centre to control the temperature, as well as some charging ports as well. As we open the tailgate, which as I say was mentioned, it's electric and automatic, to reveal a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.